What if you could buy a home in Kenya even if you can't afford it today? Most people think you need millions in cash, but that's not true. Here's how home financing in Kenya actually works. A mortgage is a loan that lets you buy or build a home now and pay monthly over time, usually over 5 to 25 years. In Kenya, banks, SACCOs, and developers all offer financing options. There are few main choices. Bank mortgages offer large loans but require strict paperwork. SACCO loans are often cheaper but depend on your savings. Construction loans helps you build in stages. Developer payment plans let you pay as the house is being built. And this is where projects like Gazebo apartments in Parklands comes in. And remember, our projects is interest-free. Most lenders require a deposit of about 10 to 30%, though higher deposits can give a better return. A simple rule: your monthly mortgages should be no more than 35 to 40% of your income. For example, a 9 million shilling home with a 30% deposit means you borrow about 6.3 million shillings and your monthly repayment could be around 75,000 to 80,000 shillings, depending on interest and loan period. Remember to budget for hidden costs like legal fees, valuation, and insurance. Renting gives you flexibility, financing gives you ownership. If you're exploring modern, well-located homes in prime areas like Gazebo apartments, follow for more simple property tips and comment if you want a mortgage calculator. For more information about mortgages, visit the link below in the description.